Here's the tankless, the Eternal Hybrid G195, natural gas, 98% efficient. We put a Grundfos pump in, so they went from hot water to instant hot water. We put a loop in the upstairs master bathroom, so now there's instant hot water, always looping now. And vent wise, we vented right out the side of the house, and then also put in a Kinetico upflow dechlorinator, filters the water throughout the whole house, and then a twin tank non-electric water softener, where before was a saltless water softener. It's now gone, and now we have the Kinetico system in.